to respond with a basic first aid can help save a person's life. Witnessing a seizure is frightening. Remember to stay calm. The scene that you will witness is on how to respond to seizure. Be sure the scene is safe. Remove any hard or sharp object to avoid injury to the patient. Take any soft material or clothing and place it under the patient's head to avoid head injury. Take note of the time the seizure starts until it lasts. Usually, seizures last not less than 3 minutes. Do not put anything on the patient's mouth. Do not hold or stop him from movement. Check the breathing, the skin color of the patient. Assure the patient that you're not going to leave his side. Place the patient on a side-lying position to clear his airway passage. Call the AU clinic.